How to fix Instagram story hashtag feature missing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story hashtag feature missing problem. So first of all, please go and subscribe to the channel, and then if you like the video, please hit the like button. So guys, what you have to do is first of all, go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Click on Instagram and then see whether your Instagram is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram account. Now what you have to do is you have to click here and then scroll down, and you can see here an option, you are a beta tester. So in this option you'll find an option as join option. Here you'll find an join option. I have already joined, so you can see here and leave option, so I will just leave these ones. And then you can see here an option rejoin, so you have to join this and then go back, restart your phone, and you can check. Now after joining this, what you have to do is you have to restart your phone, and you can see your problem will be solved. Your problem will be definitely solved. This is 100%, 110% sure. And then if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store again, and then go to your Google Play Store and then search for Secure VPN. You can see here Secure VPN. Just click here, and then you have to install this application. You can see here this application, and then after installing, you have to open this application and just connect this, and then you can see your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.